Unite Community Southampton Area, our three of our representatives have just asked questions of the full council about this, their policy to remove disabled bus passes. And my first feeling is I'm really quite pleased. I mean, there's been a fantastic rally, wonderful response, great feeling of solidarity right across the city here. But in the council chamber, councillors have just said that they're going to look at it again.
Is that having spoken to colleagues, we are content to revisit this as part of next year's budget round. I'm not promising that we will make any changes. You understand the position this council is in. We have to look at the finances for everything, but our commitment is that we will assess it and review it in light of the information that's come forward to make sure that we address those issues. We might be able to do something, we might not. I can't commit to that today, as I'm sure you appreciate.
They're going to reconsider it, and they're going to look at all of our situations. So that bit of me feels quite happy. But the thing that I'm not happy about is the time delay, because these disabled people, these vulnerable citizens of ours, they've been without a bus pass. Over 400 of them have had their disabled bus passes taken away for about a year now, and the council have just said that they'll consider it in the springtime. Now that means that they will have then gone 2 years without their bus pass, 2 years of hardship for over 400 of the most vulnerable people in our community.
Hi, I'm Rachel. The cuts on this disabled pass will badly affect my daily life and social life. I won't be able to get out, I can't afford taxis, and the mileage in my chair just doesn't cover it. So I'd be stuck at home on my own.
So that bit doesn't make me feel too happy. Individual council members have said that they'd like to meet with us and talk with us, and I'm very, very pleased about that. But our agenda will be to get as speedy a remedy to this as possible.